Alright, so the front shed. So talking about having a lot of jobs that I've started, they've been waiting on parts. We've got, hopefully there'll be a video there at some point. We've got the hearth surround made, trying to get a fire going, coming into summer, so it's no major rush now. Not sure whether I'll use the old pot belly there or something a bit bigger. Sure to do the job, but it's only got a very small opening for wood, so it might piss me off. Anyway, so I've started getting some French cleat things going. Didn't do any videos on those. Plenty of videos out there. I may do one at some point. Again, just got some storage happening, and even made use of the 3D printer. Got a new 3D printer and printed a couple of bits and pieces there. The bench is actually looking a little bit cleaner than it usually is, but only because I'm starting to hang the stuff up, but I'm getting there on that one. Made a big video coming soon at some point. There's a prototype anyway. I've got the storage box for the tactics things. What I want to do there is get some drawings up, so if you go to Bunnings or Amazon or wherever you can buy those things from, and you can follow the drawings and make just the storage slide thing, why not? Why not? Free, of course. I've set up a bit of a airbrushing area. Haven't airbrushed for quite a while now, and mainly because I haven't had anywhere to airbrush. So I'm looking forward to getting stuck into that. Probably the big thing is I'm about 80% finished, because again I run out of pipe. The dust extraction. So I've got that going there. I've got all the gates, the pipes, the tubes. Again, cheapest I found for 4-inch pipe is Amazon. So 6 meters of that, and got some of that. Been using the table saw, which is good. I still can't buy any wood for me to make another bench. Bloody pine's still friggin' hard to get for the thicknesser. Plumbed in a bit of a compressor. Got some compressed air going over to here. You know, obviously we've got the air brushing, but we've also got the pulley retractable thing for the nail gun, which has been working great. So and with the weather getting a bit nicer, hopefully we can get the Harley out. Looking forward to that. Beautiful day today, but it's just been raining constantly lately, and it's raining tomorrow. Okay, we'll check out the other shed, see what I haven't done in there. Okay, so 1 tonner. Still haven't got anywhere. Just really haven't gone into it. What I will show you is obviously I've been doing the stuff in the other shed, but I've been working around the garden, which has been pretty bloody, you know, if I work a Saturday, it pretty much stuffs me for the Sunday. So just doing a bit of landscaping. I'm hoping, I didn't know if you saw the video of taking the cars for a spin. I did end up fixing the Monaro, but we just haven't had decent weather. Actually, the couple of things I do need to finish in here, just to get it out of the way, is the trailer. I've got a tub, you'll see it pop up every now and again, a tub trailer out or a tub out the front. I've welded up the trailer. I just had a bugger of time getting the right bushings and hangers for the springs. I'm using the old Hilux springs. It's a Hilux tub. So once I get, actually now I've got the bender over there. we can free up a bit of space. I'll probably end up selling the trailer. Although the tub trailers look good, they're not as practical as. Yeah, I've actually got the old 1-tonner alloy tray sitting out there that I'd like to turn into a trailer. That'd be a lot more practical for using as a trailer. Anyway, I'll show you the garden, show you what I've been doing. Alright, so we're in the back garden. If you remember that photo, I'll chuck the photo up of all those bushes and branches. These were trees, pretty much hedge tree things that went right the way up. So we now have the fence. It's bloody, it's like a Trump wall, that thing. It's friggin' huge. So now I've got to clean up all this. As I mentioned in that other video, I want to bring out the shed, make it a bit bigger. You never have too much space. And I've got to sort out all my parts. I'll run through them just for those that are interested. So I've got the 202 and 3-speed column that originally came out of the 1-tonner. I've got two 253 engine blocks there. I bought them 15 odd years ago for about $50 for the two of them. I'm sure they'll be all right with a bit of a clean up. I've got a disc brake 308 LSD diff. Not sure whether that'll go in the 1-tonner or whether I'll go the 9-inch. Got another diff, that's the original diff out of the 1-tonner. It's a 355 ratio. Weirdly, I still remember all these things after all these years. And I've got a bunch of bonnets and all sorts of stuff up the end there. So lots to sort out. So this is the side. Got to make this in the front yard. So as you can see, I've done a bit of landscaping there. Absolutely bloody killed me, but she's looking good. Well, she will do. This will all be stoned here, so hopefully I can get some cars up the side. I can't get them around the back up the side because of the you can see the house juts out there, but I could store something up there. Got all this crap to move. That is the pretty much just going to flatten all this and build up in there, so everything will come up to about the top there. And there we go, and I'll be stoning all around there for another couple of car parks, because as you know, I've got a couple of cars. I tell you what is that thing there? Sunshine, hey? It's been a while. Anyway guys, I'll leave it there. That's my update. Like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for following on. So hopefully I'll be able to get some more up once I finish the garden. But, you know, the house has pretty much looked like a rented place for the last 6 or 7 years, so I just want to fix it up and in between, you know, before summer. So anyway, it's a bit of a process. As always guys, love your work, get in the shed.